If you are a off spinner, you do always have the chance to transform yourself into a mystery spinner. Some of that, doesn't it? Well, let me explain how. What you just need to do along with your off spin that is always turning in one direction, you just need to develop a delivery that will turn into the opposite direction like a leg spin delivery. And you have three options to ball this kind of delivery. First of all, if you want, you can go with the traditional dusra that Sakline Mustak actually invented, and later Muttia Molidharol, Said Azmon added this delivery with their off spin and became almost unplayable type of bowler. Or if you want, you can go with the carambol. Nowadays, this is the mostly bold mystery delivery among mystery spinners. Ajanta Mendis started first bowling it, and nowadays Mujibur Rahman, Mahesh Thakseda, Ramachandran Ashwin bowls it pretty well. And the last option is to develop a knuckle ball. This is the most difficult but also